This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Frigidaire front-load washing machine that is not draining. The suspicion is that maybe there's a part in the drain mechanism that's messed up. So we remove the dryer from on top, we lean the machine back against the wall about 45 degrees after unplugging it. And now we're going to be removing the hose clamp that holds on the upper part of the hose that comes off of the tub. So the plastic tub has a black hose that brings it down to the drain. We're going to be removing the upper part of that hose. So we leaned it back. Going to be using a bowl to get out as much water as we can first. That way when we remove the hose clamp and the upper part of the rubber tube, there won't be much leaking out. So we've got it leaned back against the wall. Loosened up the clamp, hose clamp, and now as I pull it off, it is leaking out a little bit of water. That's okay. There'd be a little bit left in there, so just have a towel to collect it. And then once you get it back, you can find some stuff's caught in there, and you can pull out this plastic thing that grabs a hold of coins
anytime I move an appliance
debris. This is probably about 10 years worth of stuff got collected in here. So I'm going to empty it out.
Wow.
And then I'll just rinse it and wash it, and then I'll install it back in the washing machine. But that's why it wasn't draining. This thing was full of junk that had accumulated over the years. It was just draining slower and slower to a point where it finally didn't drain at all. So I'm just rinsing that. I'm going to come back over and put that back into that rubber hose, the large rubber hose. Push it down inside, and then I'll get the hose back up onto the tub, and I'll put the clamp back on and tighten it back up. So just take your time here. There's this little access hole at the bottom of the washer. A lot of front load washers have this. Makes it easier to get to. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.